Good day, children. Hope you all are doing well at your place. Today, we are going to learn a new lesson in moral science. The lesson's name is Education is Important. Let us start, children. Let us read the story of a prince who did not like studies. He enjoyed playing games. His father tried a lot to explain the importance of education, but he would not listen to anyone. The king announced a reward of 1,000 gold coins to the person who could educate his son. Children, this is a story about a prince who did not like to study. He always enjoyed playing games. His father, who is his father? The king. The king, he used to explain him the importance of education, but he did not listen. Then what the king did? The king announced a reward of 1,000 gold coins to the person who could educate his son. Many tutors came to teach him but failed. Many teachers they came to teach the prince, but they were not able to teach him. The prince had an old servant whose son, named Sohan, looked after the king's pigeons. The prince had an old servant and his son's name is Sohan. He used to take care of the pigeons. Sohan one day told the king that he would like to teach the prince. And one day Sohan told the king that he would like to teach the prince. The king agreed, as even the prince was very fond of Sohan. So the king agreed, as the prince was also very fond. He was fond of Sohan. He liked Sohan. So the king also agreed. Now children, this is the picture of Sohan and this is the prince and these are the pigeons. Okay. For a few days, Sohan did not teach the prince anything. The prince just helped Sohan to look after the royal pigeons. Now for few days, Sohan he did not teach the prince anything. And what the prince did? He just helped Sohan to look after the pigeons. Sohan taught the prince how to feed and train the pigeons. Now Sohan he taught the prince how to feed and train the pigeons. The prince enjoyed it all and the prince he enjoyed to feed the pigeons. One day the prince asked Sohan how many pigeons they had. Sohan replied 100. One day the prince asked Sohan how many pigeons are there in all. So Sohan replied 100. Then the prince asked, do we have more of white pigeons or the grey pigeons? And the next question was that, do we have white pigeons or the grey pigeons more? Sohan said, let us count them and find out. That time the Sohan told, let us count and find out which one is more. This is how Sohan taught the prince how to count. And this way, Sohan he taught prince how to count. The prince then told Sohan there were 40 grey and 60 white pigeons. And then the prince counted and told Sohan that there are 40 grey pigeons and 60 white pigeons. And in all there are 100 pigeons. Then Sohan suggested, why don't we give them names? The next thing the Sohan suggested that let us give them names. The prince gladly agreed and even the prince agreed happily. Sohan then chose names that begin with a vowel for the grey pigeons. Now the Sohan, he chose the names that begins with a vowel. Now children, what do you mean by vowels? Vowels are the alphabets A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. So he told that let us name the grey pigeons with the letter that begins with a vowel. Vowel means A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Then he chose names that began with a consonant for the white ones. Consonant means the remaining alphabets. Okay. The prince thus learnt not only the alphabets but also all the names. And the prince, he learnt the alphabets as well as the names. Then Sohan said, let us make a list of the names of all the pigeons for the king. The Sohan told, now let us write all the names of the pigeons and give it to the king. Gradually, the prince learned to write, and now the prince, he learned to write. The king was very glad to see the list of names that his son had written. Now the king, he was very happy to see the names of the pigeons which his son has written. See how cleverly Sohan taught the prince to read and write. Now the Sohan, he has taught the prince to read and write. Sohan was given the reward of 1,000 gold coins, and as the king told that he will be giving a reward of 1,000 gold coins, that 1,000 gold coins was rewarded to Sohan. The prince then started going to school. Slowly, he developed interest in studies and became an excellent student. And slowly the prince, he became an excellent student. Now what is the thought of the day? Thought of the day is practice makes a man perfect. We should practice every day. Then only we will be perfect. For example, you should study every day. You should practice maths every day. Then only you will be perfect in everything.